How to download Realtek HD audio driver. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can download Realtek HD audio driver. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, search for Realtek HD audio driver. After you search for it, there will be different websites which will provide you with the required audio driver. So here, this is the Realtek one. I'll open the Intel one as well. And there you can see this is the Realtek's options. You can see the driver available for Windows 7 Vista, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. It's for 32 and 64 bits, and it's driver only. You'll also see the version and the update time. You can download if this fits your description properly, or you can head over to this Intel's website as well. And there you can see this is the Realtek HD audio driver for Windows 10 64-bit. So as you can see, it's for Intel. If you want it for Intel, you can use it for Intel as well. So you can download this. You can get this version. You can change the version from here if it's available, and simply tap on this download option. So that's the another one. And if you want it for specifically Dell, you can download the Dell from here. There are other different websites which does provide your driver as well. But yeah, these are the most trusted one. You can download from Realtek only as well. This is the Realtek website. So you can download one of your versions which fits you the best. You can use if you have 32 bits and you're using a Windows 8, you can download this one. If you're using a 64 bits, you can download this one. As you can see, if you want the both one, you can download this one right here. It's driver only zip file. So just tap on the download button and the download should begin. And that's how you can download Realtek HD audio driver. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye.